Hi, this is a tutorial on multithreading. I am Rishi Jadhav from IIPS DIVV pursuing MTech. This video has been suggested and guided to me by Dr. Nitin Nagar from IIPS DIVV. The topics we are going to study in this video are: what is multithreading, multithreading by thread class, multithreading by runnable interface, and multithreading using same object. What is multithreading? Multithreading is a Java feature that allows concurrent execution of two or more threads for maximum utilization of CPU. Now, what are threads? A thread is a lightweight subprocess or separate path of execution, or you can also call it smallest path of execution. How do we create threads? Well, there are two ways. You can either extend thread class or you can implement runnable interface. Now we are going to create thread by extending thread class. As you can see, I have already created a class named creating threads, and I am going to extend thread class. Let me declare a member variable. Now we are going to create a run method which will be executed upon execution of thread. Here I am going to print the value of z. Now creating main method. Now I am going to create a object of thread class. Let me name it T1. You can name it anything you want. I am going to initialize it by creating threads class. This start method will create thread and start its execution. Now let us run it. As you can see, we have printed the value of z. Now let me increment it and print it. Now we are going to create thread by implementing runnable interface. Here we are going to replace extends thread by implements runnable only. And instead of creating object of creating threads, we are going to pass here an object of creating threads in thread constructor. Now let me run it. That's how you create thread by implementing runnable interface. Now next we are going to see how multiple threads use same object. Let me just copy that. Now let's run it. As you can see, the four have or the all of the threads have run. The order you are seeing here is due to the fact that all the threads are not able to access the incremented value that was incremented by other thread. If you want to arrange it in order, you can use synchronize method if you want. That is. Thank you. Do like and share this video if you like it. You can also leave questions in comment section.